Viewers, welcome back to the studio. We've had another young subscriber write in to ask a question. This time it's a young Frankie B. Frankie B from Rome in Italy. Frankie B from Rome in Italy has written in to ask, Dear Jesus, as your Luke Skywalker channel guy, being the rock and roll star that you are, travelling around the world, jet-setting about the place, I suppose you could pack a mean suitcase from all those one-night stands. Is there any tips that you could share with any young listeners out there aspiring to such mega stardom? Frankie B from Rome in Italy, my favourite subscriber in the whole community. King Charles runs a close second. Thanks for writing in. Of course, let's share some tips on how to pack a suitcase. Viewers, of course, we can't just fly into these deep dives randomly. We're going to have to start off with the most important tip. The most important tip, viewers, listeners, is that you have a suitcase, such as this, for the packing. But wait, that's not all. You get one that's got wheels on it, that's for sure. And you buy yourself one of these straps just to make sure. It's a bit like a belt and braces type. I'm not a belt and braces type guy, but we're going on, well, we don't know, hospital, go and see Jesus at the free concert, might go to Tasmania, track down my roots of my humanly trafficked bit branch. This is the #1 tip of all time for travellers. As you shout yourself, you treat yourself, you plan in advance before your holiday. I haven't had a holiday in 10 years. So there you go. I've got all the time in the world to plan. You shout yourself some new undies and some new socks because they pack in so well. And you've got new socks to wear every day on your new holiday. And the price of socks in China these days, there we go, 10 socks, 14 pairs of briefs. We'll be set. Won't have to do any washing. We can go away for 2 weeks. Let's hope it's not the hospital. Guys, you know what to do. It's in the Bible. I think it's Matthew 11:19, something like that.